Hello, this is Northeast Georgia Mountain Folk, and welcome to our channel.
We hope you enjoy our video. Where will we go from here?
Thank you for watching and enjoy the video.
Crossing Pilgrim Mill Road and continuing straight onto School Street, on your right you will find the Cumming Public School. This 11,000 square foot schoolhouse was built in 1923 by J.W. Fleming. The bricks used in the construction were handmade at Mr. Fleming's brickyard, which was located up the street on the property that would later become the parking deck. In 1927, lightning struck the rear of the building and an ensuing fire consumed the interior. Using insurance proceeds, supplemented and contributions from county residents, Fleming and Jim Hughes restored the gutted structure that same year. The school served to educate all 12 grades until Forsyth Central High School opened in 1955. 6 years later, students of the elementary school's grades abandoned its halls in favor of the new Cumming Lower Elementary School. Another 13 years passed when Otwell Middle School claimed the remaining student population. The county school administration took up offices in the schoolhouse and remained there until they moved in November 1999 into their new building on Highway 9. In 2000, the school was put on the National Registry of Historic Places. The building is now owned by the city and houses archives of the Historical Society, the Bell Research Library, and the Cumming Playhouse. From an architectural point of view, the exterior design is Greek Revival with Gothic elements. A 1990s Historic Resources survey of the property cited the school's noteworthy traits: central hallway, irregular plan shape, symmetrical facade with 3 or more doors, cross-gable roof, mortise and tenon construction, brick front stoop, basement under rear, Gothic hood over the door and surrounds, shaped parapet. Original recessed entry with double doors has been infilled with reverse board and batten and door to form vestibule, large auditorium in the rear, center of the building, newer addition on rear.